Simon's Cat was made possible in part by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting children's public television, where a kid can be a kid.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they think fun and learning with friends is a big part of what makes life great.
Why do cows everywhere support Chick-fil-A? Perhaps it's because we support quality family programming on PBS.
And by SBC. From high-speed internet access and voice services to data transport, networking, and e-business solutions. When it comes to providing what it takes to help the world communicate, we're on it. SBC Communications.
Your new home. Everything's perfect. Okay, not everything. After all, new homes have their share of unexpected surprises. Ace, your helpful hardware place.
Okay, what's made with tuna, liver, and chicken and comes in a bag?
A hero sandwich.
No! Right, Meow Mix! What delicious bite-sized morsels taste so good they're asked for by name?
Salted nuts!
No! Right, Meow Mix! With an extra sprinkle of flavor, Cat Saver! As grand prize winner, you get anything you ask for! It's yours! A lifetime supply of Meow Mix brand cat food from Purina! Plus an all-expense-paid trip to Catalina!
And by contributions to your PBS station. From viewers like you, thank you.